Stop.
Don't skip this video. If you listen to English but you still cannot speak, this podcast is for you.
Yes. Today, we will help your mouth speak English. Slow. Easy. Daily. Just listen and repeat.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our daily English podcast.
Hi, friends. I am Umair.
And I am Anam. We're very happy you are here.
Today's topic is very special.
Yes, shadowing English speaking practice.
Don't worry. Shadowing is easy.
Very easy and very powerful.
You don't need grammar books.
You don't need to write.
You only need to listen.
And repeat.
Anam, many learners ask, what is shadowing?
Good question, Umair. Friends, shadowing means you listen to English. You repeat the same words. You repeat with the speaker.
Like a shadow.
Yes.
A shadow follows you.
Your voice follows English.
You listen. Then you speak.
No stopping. No thinking too much.
Just listen and repeat. Shadowing equals listen plus repeat together.
Anam, why is shadowing good?
Because it helps many things.
Like what?
Number 1, confidence.
Yes. When you speak daily, you feel brave.
Number 2, pronunciation.
Your mouth learns English sounds.
Number 3, fluency.
You speak without fear.
And number 4, listening.
Your ears become strong. Shadowing helps confidence, pronunciation, fluency, and listening.
Now let's learn how to do shadowing.
Step 1. First, just listen.
Don't speak. Only listen.
Listen to the sound.
Listen to the speed.
Listen to the feeling.
Now repeat slowly.
One sentence.
Small sentence.
Easy sentence.
Now speak with the speaker.
Same time.
Same words.
Same rhythm.
Very important.
Don't stop for mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Mistakes help you learn. Listen, repeat, speak together, don't worry.
Okay, friends. Now let's practice.
Please listen first.
I wake up early in the morning.
Now repeat.
I wake up early in the morning.
Good.
Again.
I wake up early in the morning. Next sentence.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water. One more time. I drink a glass of water.
How do you feel?
Easy, right?
Yes.
English can be easy.
Anam, when I started English,
Yes.
I was scared.
Me too.
I thought, my English is bad.
Same here. But practice helped us.
Yes. Daily practice.
Small steps. Message. Everyone starts low. You are not alone. Let's do more practice.
Listen carefully.
I live with my family.
I live with my
family.
Again.
I live with my family. Next.
My family loves me.
My
My
family
family
loves
loves me.
me. How was it?
Good job.
Are you repeating with us?
If yes, comment yes.
Friends, repetition is magic.
Yes. Repeat again and again.
Your brain remembers.
Your mouth remembers.
English becomes natural. Repeat daily. Repeat slowly. Repeat happily.
Let's continue.
I go to work every day. I go to work every day.
Next sentence.
I want to speak English well.
I want to speak English well. Say it with feeling.
I want to speak English well. Friends, quick question.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes or no?
Be honest.
Daily practice is the key.
Let's stop and recap.
What did we learn?
1. Shadowing is listening and repeating.
2. Speak slowly.
3. Don't fear mistakes.
4. Practice daily.
Now feelings.
Listen first.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today. Next.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
You're doing great.
Yes, really great. Motivation moment.
Friends, English is not hard.
English needs time.
Small steps every day.
10 minutes is enough.
Don't stop.
Don't give up.
Final practice.
Let's go.
I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day. Last sentence.
English is becoming easy for me.
English is becoming easy for me. What did you do today?
You listened.
You repeated.
You spoke English.
That is progress.
Friends, we are proud of you.
Yes. You are learning English.
Slow English is good English.
Easy English is strong English.
Please comment below.
Tell us. Did you repeat with us?
Like this video.
Subscribe to our channel.
Listen daily.
Practice daily. See you
See
next
you next
time.
time.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.